Here's a look at an ocean view stateroom on a Carnival Excel class ship, specifically Carnival Celebration.
I'm a big fan of Carnival's Excel class ships, which right now consist of Celebration, Jubilee, and Mardi Gras, but the staterooms can be a little cramped compared to the older ships. The first thing to note is that these staterooms are the type that require a key card for the lights and electricity in the room to operate, but any card will work, so bring an extra if you don't want to use your actual stateroom card. The ocean view does feel a little more spacious compared to the interior rooms, namely because there's a big couch here. I like that there are these small reading lights and USB outlets by the bed, and of course you have the ocean view window, which is the big perk. There's a pretty big TV compared to the old Carnival ships, but it does not adjust, but it's nicely placed. And that ocean view window kind of functions like a window seat, so I actually got in here and sat and looked out and admired the ocean view on my sea days. This room is configured with one big bed, but if you want two separate beds, you can simply make that request of your stateroom steward. Our couch was pretty dirty, so we didn't sit on it, but we did use it for clothes and storage with towels on it first. There is some storage here, and I found the closet space to be pretty ample, with plenty of hangers and adjustable shelves. So if you don't want to use them as shelves, you can simply pull them up and get them out of the way. There's a full-length mirror here as well, and in the other closet area, you will find the stateroom safe, and there are some additional little wire baskets that pull out to provide additional storage. And here's a quick look at those shelves when they're put in the up position. Now, the one thing I don't like about Excel class ships is the bathrooms. They're really, really small. I do like that they have the glass doors instead of the yucky plastic shower curtains. And note that Carnival provides body wash and shampoo, but they do not provide conditioner. And I would bring my own stuff anyway, since theirs is usually pretty low quality. They do provide a cooler, but note it is not a refrigerator. There's an ottoman that you can use to sit on in the vanity area, and inside is extra storage and blankets. And there are a pretty decent amount of outlets, with 3 traditional outlets and some USB outlets. And of course, as I noted, the big benefit of this type of stateroom is that ocean view. Not as impressive in Port Miami, but once you're out to sea, you just can't beat a view like this.